Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how I make this sequin hat. I hope you enjoyed my previous video how I made and upcycled these gloves, and now I'll show you how I upcycled this old hat. So basically I had this hat for like 11 years, really old as you can see. So first what I'm doing, I'm removing this strap there carefully so I can reuse this strap for different projects. Next I'll spray this hat silver. So I'm spraying this hat outside in a cardboard box so it's nice and safe. So I'm shaking the spray and spraying the hat all around. So this is how it looks after I sprayed the hat. It didn't work, literally failed. So the next option is to paint this hat white. So I'm painting this hat white all around. As you can see, all around I have painted hat white, and also it didn't work, so this is how it looks after it dried. So the paint and spray paint didn't work at all, so I decided to cover this hat with this white scrap satin fabric all around, inside and out, and then on top I will cover the hat with this silver sequin fabric. First I'm covering this hat inside so it looks nice and neat. So I have applied hot glue inside and gluing that satin fabric on the edges of the hat there, cutting excess fabric off. So it looks like that, and then I'll cover the rest of the hat with that scrap white satin fabric. This is how it looks after I covered entire hat with white fabric. Next I'll cover this hat with this silver sequin fabric all around using hot glue gun. This is how it looks after I glued that silver sequin fabric on top. Next I will glue this trimming all around the hat. So I'm applying hot glue at the back of the hat there, and I'm gluing this trimming all around the hat. This is how it looks after I glued this trimming on all around the hat. Next I'm using this white cross grain ribbon, and I'll glue this ribbon all around inside hat to cover silver sequin edges, so it's neat finish between silver sequin fabric and satin fabric inside. And my hat is finished. If you have any questions how I upcycled this hat, please comment down below in a comment box. On my next video I'll be making this peplum belt and a top. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you next time. Love, Anita.